Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Fun English Duo. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Thomas. Hello, dear friends. Nice to see you again.
Today, we have a simple but very useful topic.
Yes, very important for every English learner.
We are talking about how to introduce yourself in English.
Introductions. The first words people hear about you.
Yes, your first impression, your hello moment.
Hello moment. I like that.
Yes, so today we learn step by step how to say hello, how to talk about yourself in simple English.
And we'll keep it slow, calm, and easy to follow.
Before we start, please subscribe to Fun English Duo.
And like this video if you love learning English with us.
It helps our small English family grow.
And we are grateful for every one of you.
Okay, Thomas, let's start simple.
Sure.
When you meet someone for the first time, what do you say?
I say hello, my name is Thomas.
Perfect. That's the basic way.
And you can say, hi, I'm Thomas. More casual, right?
Yes. Hello, my name is Sarah, or hi, I'm Sarah. Both are great.
So, friends, repeat softly with us.
Hello, my name is... Pause for a beat. Sarah.
Hi, I'm Thomas.
See? Easy, short, friendly. Thomas, how can we continue after saying our name?
We can say where we are from.
Exactly. Like, I'm from India.
Or I'm from Canada. Or I'm from Brazil.
You can also say, I live in Jaipur, or I live in London.
I live in is for your current city.
Right.
So we can say, I'm from India, but I live in Dubai.
Nice combination sentence. Let's repeat slowly for practice.
I'm from India.
I live in Mumbai.
I'm from Japan, but I live in Australia.
Perfect rhythm.
Short and clear sentences.
Now, next part. How to say your age politely.
Yes, some people feel shy to say it.
Yes, but it's useful in practice.
You can say, I'm 25 years old.
Or simply, I'm 25.
You can also say, I'm in my 20s or I'm in my 30s.
Yes, that's softer if you don't want to give the exact number.
So, I'm in my 20s means between 20 and 29 years old.
I'm in my 30s means 30 to 39.
I'm in my 40s means 40 to 49.
Perfect! Small grammar note. Thank you, Teacher Thomas.
You're welcome, student Sarah.
So now we have name, country, and age.
Next, we can talk about our job or what we do.
Yes, that's very common in introductions.
You can say, I'm a student,
Or I'm a teacher.
or I work in a company,
Or I work in construction.
or I'm an engineer.
Or I'm a designer.
Nice. And if you're not working right now, you can say, I'm looking for a job.
Or I'm studying English full-time.
That's a great one.
Let's build an example introduction together.
Okay.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from India. I live in Delhi. I'm 26 years old. I'm an English teacher.
Perfect example. Nice rhythm.
Thank you. Now your turn.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm from Canada. I live in Mumbai now. I'm 30 years old. I work as a content creator.
Very good.
Thank you, Teacher Sarah.
Now, let's help friends make it more natural.
Yes, because sometimes beginners stop after one line.
True. Let's connect sentences with and or but.
Like, I'm from Japan, but I live in France.
Or I'm a teacher and I love my job.
I'm a student and I study English every day.
I'm from Spain and I enjoy meeting new people.
Smooth English flow.
Let's add hobbies in the introduction.
Nice. It makes it sound friendly and full.
I'm Sarah. I'm from India. I'm an English teacher and I love painting.
I'm Thomas. I'm from Canada. I'm a creator and I enjoy reading.
You can say, I like cooking. I enjoy music. I love traveling.
Just one short hobby makes the introduction warmer.
Yeah, it shows your personality. Let's imagine meeting someone new.
Okay, I'll be a stranger.
Smiling. You always are.
Playful laugh. Hey! Okay, let's do it.
Hi, I'm Sarah. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Thomas. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Thomas. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from India.
Oh, wow. That's far.
Yes, but the world feels smaller when we speak English.
True. Language connects hearts.
Friends, that's how you can practice small introductions anywhere.
Yes, start small. Smile. Use simple English.
And don't worry about mistakes.
Everyone understands kind energy more than perfect grammar.
Soft teaching tone. Exactly. Speak slowly, clearly, and confidently.
Let's teach one small trick.
Oh, what trick?
Use hand gestures and smile while introducing yourself.
Ah, yes, body language hobby.
Yes. Smile, small wave, soft tone.
People remember your energy, not your grammar.
That's very true.
Now, let's practice some different examples.
Hi, I'm Emma. I'm from Mexico. I'm a designer. I like music.
Hello, I'm David. I'm from France. I'm a student. I enjoy football.
Hi, I'm Aisha. I'm from Dubai. I work in a hospital. I love reading.
Hello, I'm Ken. I'm from Japan. I'm an engineer. I enjoy traveling.
So many small and natural examples.
And easy to remember.
Can we also say something about our family?
Yes, but only a little in introductions.
Like, I live with my parents.
Or, I'm married and I have one child.
Or I live with my sister.
Yes, simple family detail is okay. Now, a few friendly closing lines for introductions.
Oh yes, how to finish politely.
You can say, nice to meet you.
Or, it's great to meet you.
Or, I'm happy to meet you.
And don't forget to smile while saying it.
Soft, happy, always. Okay, friends, now we have learned name, country, age, job, hobby, simple closing line.
Perfect structure.
Yes, a complete mini self-introduction.
But we're not done yet.
Yes, we still have more. Personality, interests, dreams. Now we'll make it a little deeper and more personal.
Like showing your personality in English?
Exactly. Who you are as a person, not just facts.
This is where English becomes alive.
So after you say, I'm Thomas, I'm from Canada, I work in Mumbai,
You can add small personality lines.
like, I'm a friendly person,
Or, I'm a calm and patient person.
or I'm very social, I like meeting new people.
Or, I'm a little shy, but I enjoy good conversations.
Nice variety. Everyone can choose one or two personality words.
Let's teach a few simple adjectives, okay?
Yes, easy ones for self-description.
Kind,
Friendly,
calm,
hardworking,
funny,
honest,
creative,
talkative,
smart,
helpful,
positive,
simple.
easy to remember, easy to use.
Now let's use them in sentences.
I'm a friendly person.
I'm a calm and patient person.
I'm hardworking and honest.
I'm creative and curious.
I'm a little quiet, but I enjoy listening.
That's a nice one. Good for shy people.
Thomas, how would you describe yourself?
I think I'm creative, warm, and a little emotional.
Soft laugh. That's true, but in a good way.
And you, Thomas?
I think I'm calm, patient, and sometimes funny.
Sometimes funny. Ha, only sometimes?
Yes, depends on the coffee.
Good answer. Okay, now, after personality, we can talk about interests.
Yes, what you like or what you love doing.
We already talked a little about hobbies.
But now we can add favorites.
Exactly. Favorite things help make introductions fun.
So let's try.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite food is pizza.
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
My favorite book is The Alchemist.
My favorite sport is badminton.
My favorite place is the beach.
See? It feels warm and friendly.
Yes, people smile when they talk about favorites.
Now let's connect it all together. A full example.
Okay, go first.
Hello, my name is Sarah. I'm from India and I live in Jaipur. I'm 26 years old. I'm an English teacher. I'm a friendly and creative person. My favorite color is blue, and I love painting in my free time.
That sounds complete and natural.
Now your turn.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm from Canada and I live in Mumbai. I'm 30 years old. I'm a content creator. I'm calm and patient, and I love reading and exploring new places.
Nice rhythm. Very clear.
Listeners, you can do the same.
Yes. Take 1 minute and think in English. Your name, where you're from, what you do, your personality, and something you love.
Practice out loud. Don't worry about grammar. Focus on feeling natural.
So, let's teach how to continue small talk after introducing yourself.
Ah, yes. How are you? Where do you work? Small conversation.
For example, hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. And you?
I'm a designer.
Oh, nice. That sounds interesting.
Yeah, I like creative work.
See? Short questions, simple answers, friendly tone.
You don't need fancy vocabulary. Just smile and speak slowly.
Let's teach some other safe questions you can ask.
Yes, asking questions makes conversation natural.
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you like to do in your free time?
How long have you lived here?
Do you like traveling?
What kind of music do you like?
See, these questions help you keep talking.
Yes, introductions become real connection.
I think many learners feel shy in introductions.
Yes, true. They worry about mistakes.
But mistakes are fine. They show you're learning.
And people usually find accents and effort very charming.
Yes, being kind and confident is more important than being perfect.
Exactly.
Let's teach one confidence trick.
Ooh, I like this part.
When you introduce yourself, take a small breath before speaking.
Yes, breathe in, smile, then speak slowly.
That helps your voice sound clear and calm.
And it gives you 1 second to think.
Perfect for shy learners. Let's give more example introductions, different styles.
Okay, short version first.
Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from India. I'm a teacher.
Very short, simple, confident.
Now, medium version.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm from Canada. I work in Mumbai. I enjoy reading and cooking.
Good rhythm.
Now, long version.
Yes, try.
Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm from Canada, but I live in India now. I work as a content creator. I'm calm and friendly, and I love reading and traveling. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect example. Smooth, kind, warm.
Listeners, you can write your own version in a notebook,
Yes, and practice it slowly out loud.
like talking to a friend in your head.
Inner English friend.
Yes, talk to yourself in English. That's practice too.
Another small tip. Use gestures.
Like pointing to yourself for I'm Thomas.
Yes, small, natural movements make it friendly.
Just don't move too much like a cartoon.
Yes, balance is key.
So, what can we add next?
Maybe dreams or goals?
Good idea. Deeper introduction level.
You can say, my dream is to become a doctor.
Or, my goal is to travel the world.
Or, I want to improve my English and meet people from other countries.
Perfect English motivation example.
Yes, it sounds positive and inspiring.
Let's make one full final example.
Okay. Hello. My name is Sarah. I'm from India and I live in Jaipur. I'm an English teacher. I'm friendly and creative. I enjoy painting and cooking. My dream is to open a small art studio one day.
That's a full, natural, real-life self-introduction.
Now your turn, Thomas.
Hi, I'm Thomas. I'm from Canada, and I live in Mumbai. I work as a content creator. I'm calm and patient. I love reading and traveling. My goal is to help people learn English with joy.
Beautiful, Thomas.
Thank you, Sarah.
And that's what everyone watching can do too.
Yes, small steps, simple words, gentle confidence.
Remember, every time you say your introduction, you grow stronger.
And more comfortable with English.
Encouraging tone. Keep introducing yourself every day to new people or even to the mirror.
Yes, mere friends count.
So friends, before we close, let's say some soft affirmations together.
Yes, repeat them in your mind.
I can introduce myself in English.
I speak clearly and calmly.
My English is improving every day.
I feel confident speaking with others.
I enjoy learning new words.
I smile when I speak English.
I am proud of my progress.
Beautiful. Feels positive, right?
Yes, energy becomes confidence.
Thank you, friends, for joining us again.
Thank you for learning and growing with us.
Tell us in the comments, how do you introduce yourself in English?
We'll read and smile at your answers.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep learning.
And remember, be proud of your simple English. It's powerful.
You're doing great.
See you next time with another warm lesson.
Bye for now.